Hello viewers, today I would like to share with you a workaround if you experience a problem where the webcam in your Acer Nitro is not found by the operating system. Okay, so most of us have to work from home and use a lot of video conferencing. It is a bit of a problem when this kind of messages turn up. The software couldn't find any webcam in your laptop, even though there is. This problem began after the recent Windows update, but there is a workaround for it, and I'll share with you how I overcome this and solve this problem. So the first step that you have to do is to press the Windows button plus the letter I. That will bring up the settings window like this, and always check for updates that you have to carry out. Please update your operating system first before you do anything else, because sometimes the update itself will solve the problem. So after updating, what I'll do is I'll restart the computer. So for restarting, it is always best to shut it down completely and then start up again. So if after updating the operating system and you find that the webcam is still missing, you have to look at your device manager. You can do this by using the search button and look for device manager. So this is the device manager window, and you can see that there is no camera icon for the devices listed here. So what you have to do is show hidden devices, and then you will find that the camera is listed. Okay, so click on it and you'll see what I have here is a HD high definition user facing webcam and then a USB video device. So the USB video device is when I attached an external webcam that I have, whereas the HD user facing webcam is the one that is installed on the Acer Nitro. The step is to try to update the drivers, but although I do this, usually it doesn't help because the drivers are already present. So what we should do is actually to uninstall the device. I'm not gonna use the USB video device. I'll uninstall that one first, but it shouldn't matter. So I tried uninstalling the USB video device. I restarted the computer, but it still doesn't work. What you should actually do is to uninstall the HD user facing camera. Sometimes when you click on show hidden devices, you still couldn't see any camera listed, then you should look out for the USB controllers, universal serial bus controllers. Then you will see an icon here, an alert icon here to show that there's a problem with this USB device. So if you try updating it, of course it won't work because most of the drivers are already there. So what you have to do is actually to uninstall the device. Once you uninstall the device, you shut it down completely and restart the computer. You find that the HD user facing camera is active. Well, that means you have solved the problem and you are able to now do video conferencing with your computer. So I hope this helps, and if you like this video and would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.